What's going on, guys? This is Ben filling in for Rob today as we take a factory tour. Just got this footage in, so wanted to share it with you guys. As you saw in that prior clip, we had Babymakers ready to roll out, and here on the left, we have those sterling silver frames being given the once-over, making sure there's no blemishes, as well as having the wiring installed. Up ahead, you'll see a rack with several different frame colors. We have the kiwi, the orange, the matte black, a lot of great colors of bikes still yet to be assembled. So those are in the queue to go out. Here we have the front forks, specifically the sterling silver ones being unpackaged. And one thing I want you to note here is look all the way down the hallway. Look how big this facility is. I'm not sure if Rob mentioned it before, but a month or two back, the factory actually changed locations. So they now have a whole lot more room to bring on more people, as well as produce bikes at a much faster rate. So this is really exciting news. As you can see, he's showing all the components that have been delivered. All those cardboard boxes on those pallets are components that go on your bike. This is really exciting here because if you've been following the bike industry, these components are scarce. They're hard to find. The lead times are really long. So to see those Magura brakes and a lot of these other components is a really good sign, really good news for you if you're still waiting on a bike. So really happy with all the Magura brakes coming in and that sort of thing. As we make our way down the factory floor, you'll see the touring kits as well as other bikes that have been packaged out and are waiting to be loaded up. So this is really good news if you're one of those people that's still waiting on a Babymaker. We'll have them to come here shortly, and I will be on the live tomorrow. So if you're still waiting on news or have a question, tune in tomorrow for the live, and we'll be sure to address your questions and help you out.